how to stake Sol and earn rewards. Let's jump into our Phantom wallet, and before we go any further, just a reminder, I like to have different addresses for different things. So this is my staking address, this is for NFTs, this is for DeFi, etc. I'm on my staking account here, then we can just click on Solana, and this will load any staking accounts we have. I have 2 staking accounts. If you've never staked before, this is what you'll see, start earning Sol, and then you'll click on that and you'll start the process. I'll go back to my staking account, back into Solana, your stake, and from here I can just click on the plus button and then stake Sol. Here you can select your validator. I'm the general manager of validator.com. This is an HFP project, and I encourage you to follow us on Twitter. So I've typed in validator.com, and we can see the estimated APY here. You'll see there's a difference here and here. Let's click on it. This is the estimated APY that you'll receive. But this APY plus the extra 5% that we take as a commission approximately equals 8.2%. Now at this stage, you can put in your Solana. You can click on max if you like, but I always like to leave a small amount of Solana in the wallet first. So as an example, I may change that 9 to 8. Alternatively, you might just like to do 1, 2, or if you have more Sol, 100 Sol, as an example, and do different amounts. I'm just going to do 2 Sol here, and then I'll click on stake. And just like that, our Sol is staked. As it says, your Sol will begin earning rewards in the next couple days once the stake account becomes active. So let's close that, and we can see it here. These 2 are active, and this one is activating. You'll notice this is slightly less than 2 Sol. That's because a small amount of Solana is tied up in something called rent. In the future, when you withdraw your Solana, you'll get back your 2 Sol as well as any staking rewards you have accumulated. Let me give you an idea on the staking rewards. Let's say you had a modest amount. Then yearly you'd get approximately 0.77 Sol extra. If you had a lot more Sol, like 1,000 Sol, then you're getting 77 Sol extra. If you do not stake any Sol, then the Sol has been inflated away, and you definitely don't want to lose some of the Sol value to inflation. Many people have heaps of questions when it comes to staking, so just click on frequently asked questions and just have a quick read through them. They've all been written in a very simple way. Is it safe to stake my Sol? This is one of the most commonly asked questions. It's important to know you can always withdraw your stake from the validator, and a validator can't take your Sol. There is no way that they can take your Sol. Now we're at the website solanabeach.io. Another thing to know is an epoch. An epoch is just a period of time, normally a predetermined amount of time. On the Solana blockchain, an epoch can change slightly. However, in general, it's about 2.5 days. We can see the epoch 482 is ending in just over 2 hours, and then 483 will start. So if we hop into our Phantom wallet, go to our Solana again, and click on our stakes, this will say activating for another 2 hours and 14 minutes. It won't earn any rewards then, and then it will start earning rewards. You can also have lots of different stake accounts. It's entirely up to you, and you can stake with different people as well. I personally like to make sure that the commission is under 5%, so 4 or 5%. I personally don't suggest going with 0% commission, as I believe it's important to make some profit so you can continue to help the ecosystem. You may have a favorite NFT project, like the Degen Ape Academy has a Degen DAO, and the Degen DAO has a validator called DIX. Now DIX is a professional validator, and it actually stands for Degen Infrastructure Core Services. You can see their commission is 4%, so 4 or 5%, that's what I like to see. You're welcome to stake with them, as well as validator.com. However, if you're onboarding your mum or your grandma to Solana, you're probably not going to convince her to stake her Sol with DIX. At validator.com, we're about educating the ecosystem and also supporting artists. You can cycle through some of the art on validator.com just by using the left and right keys. And in the near future, we'll add a lot more artists. So go stake your Sol. In the next tutorial, I'll cover a lot more frequently asked questions on staking. Stay curious, and we'll see you in that video.